Welcome to this Heart Center meditation. The techniques provided in this meditation are designed to help you adjust to the incoming energies for the new earth by assisting you in clearing any lower vibrational energies you may be struggling to release. Remember to get comfortable and completely still for this process. Sitting up while being fully supportive can be helpful during this meditation. As you breathe deeply and bring your focus into your heart energy center, I will provide some instruction. In a couple of minutes, I will invite you to imagine a vortex of white light entering your heart space. This vortex is spinning counterclockwise or to your left as you look down toward your heart space, which is simply the center of your chest area. The actual vortex is quite large, but it is only necessary to visualize the area right in front of you. As you expand your consciousness, you will begin to identify any emotions or experiences that you may be holding onto that could be blocking the free flow of energy around you. One by one, as these lower vibrational energies are presented to you, you will move the emotions and memories into the vortex of white light and let them be pulled into your heart energy center. The heart center is a powerful transmuter and neutralizer of energy. It will depolarize the lower vibrational energies and open the heart channel to receive new, higher vibrational energy. Depending on the intensity of the emotion or experience you are surrendering, you may need to process the energy through your heart center more than once, which is perfectly normal. Your heart will let you know if the blockage is still an issue by bringing it to your awareness at a later time. Your heart center is connected to a universal intelligence and is working to make your energy field whole and clear so you can fully experience the new energies coming to Earth. You have the ability to surrender your lower vibrational emotions and energies into your heart space to help you clear your aura and your energy body. You may feel some aching in your heart center as you bring lower vibrational energies into it, and that is perfectly okay. Just stay relaxed and allow the heart energy vortex to process the energy. Now begin to visualize the vortex of white light in front of your body, turning and becoming more intense as it narrows its focus into your heart center. It is bringing nourishing, energizing, high vibration, source light into your heart energy field. Please take a minute to tune into this vortex now. With an open mind, free from judgment, allow your heart to reveal any lingering, low vibrational emotions or memories that may be interfering with the free flow of light energy into your being. With your intention and your imagination, gather any of these lower vibrational energies together and gently move them into the white light vortex. Let go of these lower vibrational feelings and memories as much as you can while you release them into the vortex. These emotions may be related to past experiences you have struggled to let go of, so you may be bringing emotions as well as memories into the vortex. I will let you engage in this process for a few minutes. check in with your body as you continue to breathe deeply and stay relaxed. Continue to let your heart guide your thoughts as much as possible during this process. If your heart feels complete with a particular group of lower vibrational energies, trust your heart and move on to the next group if there is one. If you still feel incomplete with releasing certain emotions or experiences, continue moving the energy into your heart vortex and intensify your breathing. Deeper, more intense breathing increases the etheric flow in your body, which also creates more energetic pressure in your system. It is important to stay very relaxed while you intensify your breathing because tension blocks energy movement. I will give you a couple of more minutes to keep releasing any lower vibrational energies while you increase your breathing. With your energy body becoming clearer, your consciousness can unite with your higher heart consciousness in a profound manner, allowing you to experience beautiful fields of energy flowing through you and around you. Please take a moment to visualize streams of high vibration source light energy entering your heart center and forming energy fields all around you. Now expand your visualization to bring healing universal light into everyone's heart centers. Imagine brilliant white light vortices filling the heart centers of all people on our planet. Imagine all people connecting with their higher heart guidance and tuning into that higher guidance. Visualize everyone's heart energy centers glowing with brilliant energy and source light. Finally, as you move through your day-to-day interactions, let this meditation be a reminder to bring any lower vibrational energies into your heart center throughout the day to help you stay tuned into your heart guidance as much as possible. Bless yourselves and all beings on earth with unconditional love through the power of your heart energy field. Namaste.